Look at all those crowds. It's super crowded. So, hello from Universal Orlando Resort. We are in the parking garage still. And right by the moving sidewalks, right beside Jurassic Park. Parking right here. And it's at a standstill. We are trying to get inside the hub to even get our security. We're probably gonna miss our reservation. We did have reservations for 12:15 at Toothsomes restaurant. There it is, Toothsomes Chocolate Factory. We are 15 minutes late, so I'm not sure if they're going to still let us go inside or not, but we're gonna try. Look at these strawberry cheesecake truffles. Creamsicle looks good.
Lemon blueberries.
Yes. Passion fruit. Mmm, macarons.
Black forest macaroni. Vanilla.
Cotton candy.
Lemon blueberry. Lemon blueberry.
Lemon blueberry.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Ooh, peanut butter. Oh my goodness, and jelly? That's crazies. So many macarons. This looks exactly like the thing in a tribute store with the dinosaur bones, Ellen. There.
Any fireworks?
What? Look at that. White chocolate drizzled bacon.
Mommy, look. Popcorn.
Peanut bacon.
Mommy, fireworks pop fun. Mommy.
Look at these brownies, Nadia.
Pop fun.
Fireworks.
I want this, Mommy. I want that. I want to do it.
They look yum, yum, yummy. Our table is ready. We're gonna eat. Important allergy information over here. So if you have any allergies that you need to be concerned about, these are some of the products that may be in their foods, or chocolates anyways. Here's a look at their milkshakes.
Mommy, I got that one. That's what I'm talking.
Brownies. Oh, that looks like key lime pie. Oh, cookies and cream. Birthday cake. Mint chocolate chip. Oh, Nadia's favorite one is that one right there with that giant cookie. Everybody smile. Nadia. We are here at Toothsomes Restaurant and we are seated, and they allowed us to come even though we were late for our reservation because of the super long lines just to get inside the hub today to go through security. And so we like speed walked our way over here and we made it. We're gonna eat some yummy food today. I'm just gonna show you around this restaurant for a little bit. We have ate here before and we love it. On this screen, it looks like a factory and they are delivering.
Sorry, I didn't mean photobomb you.
They're delivering the chocolate and making the chocolate in this factory. And
Hi guys, how we doing?
it's really neat.
Good.
This is the second little bird that I've seen throughout this little restaurant. We just got in here, so it's neat. It looks like it's made out of forks. Kind of.
What's made out of forks?
This little bird.
Okay. Where's the bird, Mommy?
Hold on, bub.
Oh, where'd you find that bird at?
We are sitting on the bottom floor today. Usually we sit on the top floor. So looking up at this restaurant, you can see the railing above and the continuous factory-looking windows beyond there. They do have an elevator for this restaurant as well. I did want to mention that they gave us actual menus today. So they have been doing lately is the virtual menu that you just scan with your phone and then you look at the menu on your phone, but they gave us paper menus. And so here's a look at some of the offerings they have here today. Some soups and salads, some hamburgers, sandwiches. All kinds of yummy goodness. Oh, there's stuff on the back. Brunch. They have crepes. Huh. They have crepes. These are different crepes that they have inside the parks, though, that crepe stand. And they have some appetizers. Avocado bruschetta. These are the indicators for gluten-free, vegetarian, and vegan options here at this restaurant. Consuming raw uncooked meats, poultry, seafoods, shellfish, or eggs may increase risk of foodborne illnesses. So if you have any of these allergies, you need to look for these symbols on the menu to let you know what you are able to eat.
Look at all your accessories! Necklace and bracelet! Now my name is Professor Dr. Penelope Tabot. You can see some.
My name is Jacques. Nice to meet you.
Jacques is my brother.
That's right.
Now, are the two of you brother and sister?
Huh?
Just like us.
Sibling.
Now, what are your names? Oh, it's a pleasure to meet you both.
Nice to meet you both.
Now, where are you visiting us from?
We live here in Orlando.
Oh, you're
Practically neighbors.
Oh, very exciting, isn't it, Jacques?
Feel free to come by any time to borrow a cup of sugar.
I can't wait to see you again soon. Now, is this your first time to the Chocolate Emporium?
No, I hope not. I hope they're here every day. Why not?
Now, have you tried every single dessert there is to try? Not yet.
All right. Today is the day. You should keep one of each thing now, don't you?
Now, of all the desserts you have had here, what's your favorite? They can't decide.
Her favorite is the chocolate, the mint one right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
Good job. Always certified fresh.
She loves that giant cookie. Chocolate almond bread is delicious. Salted caramel butter. It is amazing. I got this Sedona salad again because it was so delicious last time. Owen got some waffles and bacon. Brandon, you got the bananas Foster. It looks delicious. Lots and lots of whipped cream. Oh my goodness. And Nadia got the chicken fingers. Our food was really good. Yum, yum. Now we're completely full. Too full for milkshakes today. So we're gonna go take a walk and see what we can get into. There's Rip Red Rocket. We are walking to Portofino Bay from City Walk, and we're gonna go through the butterfly garden. We've been through here before, and it is beautiful, especially today since it's not all muddy from all the rain we've been having so far. And it is in the shape of a butterfly. And that is the Hard Rock Cafe over here. Just a small garden that you can walk through. Where you going, hon? Where you want to go? What?
Volcano Bay.
To Volcano Bay. Sounds good. You want some ice cream?
Yeah.
Let's go get some ice cream. We just came inside Portofino Bay. And I'll walk around for a little bit.
Hello.
We're waiting on the not friendship boats, that's Disney. We're waiting on the boats here at Portofino Bay. And we see this little guy just swimming around.
Hello. Hello. How you doing?
We had an excellent time here at City Club, eating at Toothsomes restaurant, looking at Portofino Bay. It is so beautiful. And now it's your family.